everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to force reset your iPhone 8 Plus. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, hold the lock button. Hold the lock button until your phone completely turns off, and once you see the Apple logo, you can let go. Continue to hold. If this video has helped you guys out, make sure you subscribe to the channel. You can let go. If you guys need any other assistance on any other iPhone videos, shoot a comment down below. I'm willing to help anybody out. This process takes about 30 seconds. And there you guys go, your phone has been force resetted.